You don't jump on my couch.
Gus, do you know who Jesus is?
Who's a good boy?
But I'm gonna get you a dad, though. You want a daddy? You want a dad?
All you ever do is yell at me.
Not allowed on the bed, you... No!
Did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay?
Say bitch ass nigga. Say it. Say it. Say it. You can say it.
Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch?
I never introduced myself to you. My name is Mimi. Yeah. I never told you my name. Nice to meet you.
Bailey, are you sad? No?
Bozy, what do you think? Does that look like you?
You don't even love me. You just want my snacks.
Your mom looks like a dog.
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you. Okay.